guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. So today is gym day, so I'm just wearing sweatpants and a crew neck and fuzzy socks. And I'm gonna throw on my Uggs again as normal. It's supposed to be very snowy. Everyone thinks we're gonna get a snow day tomorrow because it's supposed to basically snow from 2 until the morning or the afternoon. Don't know. So that's gonna be exciting. Oh my god, I'm sorry, my hair is kind of gross today. Yeah, so I'm gonna head to school. I got home from school. It was a little snowy, but that's okay. Everyone's saying we're gonna have snow day tomorrow, so that's really exciting. I'll show you outside in a little bit. Right now it's currently only sticking to like the driveway and the roads, but we're supposed to get like quite a bit of snow, so. Hey guys, so it's currently 6:03 and I took a nap, but I just got up and school was canceled, so I don't have school tomorrow. It's a snow day, but my mommy wants to take the dogs for a WALK. I can't say it because somebody's in here. So I'm just getting bundled for that. I'm putting on this Under Armour thermos turtleneck thing, a sweatshirt. I'm wearing sweatpants, fuzzy socks. I'm gonna put my snow boots on. And then I'm gonna have like a scarf and a hat and gloves. So yeah. When I get back from that, I'm gonna have to edit the video that needs to go up ASAP. But it's gonna be a fun little adventure. I just got Vlogmas Day 15 up. Now I'm gonna go help my mom with the driveway. As you saw the footage from the walk, so yeah, I'm gonna go back out there and help with the driveway. It's cold. Just finished with the driveway, so that's all done. So tonight, there's a couple things on my list that I'm gonna use this day to do. One of them is study for chem, and I have to remember because the algebra test that I was studying for last night, she moved it, and I can't remember if it's Friday or Monday. I think it's Friday. So I'm gonna review for those tomorrow. Tomorrow I would also get my dresser done. And then me and my mom also have some Christmas shopping we are gonna do tomorrow. So tonight I'd really like to do the upstairs tree and if all possible get that finished. And I'd also like to get a good amount of presents wrapped. So I think I'm gonna crack open a Celsius and get energy and get as much as I possibly can done tonight because it's not like I have to wake up early for anything. And if I wake up by like 10 tomorrow, maybe 9, I'm probably gonna try to get up by then so I can get the other things on my agenda done because we'll also probably be doing decorating tomorrow. So that's the plan. Let's go get a Celsius. I kind of want to try one of these today. This is obviously a new flavor. I've never tried it. It's the peach mango green tea. So oh, this might be my new fave because my favorite was the sparkling kiwi guava. But this is so good. Sorry, I just need to talk about it. So my dad was like, what do you want for Christmas? And I was like, and my other grandma, like his mom, was freaking out because she didn't know what to get me. And I was like, I can add some things to like your Amazon wish list. And I literally just added a variety pack. It's of this one, and it's like a raspberry, I think it was acai something, because I've never tried one of the non-carbonated ones before, and I like green tea. Oh my god, this is almost empty, and I started drinking it like, what, 3 minutes ago? This is so good. I might drink another one. I won't. But like generally, so good. Change of plans. The dresser is happening now. As we speak, I'm clearing off the top of the dresser. Right now, I'm going to put away my clothes from this. Basically, in the drawers, I have socks in this drawer. I have leggings in this drawer, which I might flip-flop these two. Then I have t-shirts / long sleeves, sweaters, jeans and sweatpants, and then, and then pajamas. Just finished putting everything away in it. I'm gonna need to reorganize a few things tomorrow when I build the other piece of furniture that's going in here, but it's just another one of these tall drawers. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's like 11:20 now. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and while you're down there, turn on post notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video. Bye guys.